Hey guys, Jesse here real quick. Just wanted to touch base with you, give you a quick message. I know that I've been slacking in regards to my status updates in 5 minutes or less, but I'm going to give you kind of a rundown of some of the projects that we're working on and the priorities that I see need to be complete. So first and foremost, Alpha Core DX, getting some feedback on that side of the house. Want to make sure that we get all the updates pushed, project tasks created, and updates on the website for that update. So Rena, please make sure that gets taken care of. Go back through and review Warren's email requests, and let's make sure those get handled. Ian Main, I saw that you engaged Sophia in regards to the integration with Ash. Thank you very much for that. Please make sure that you follow up on it. I also echoed that we need or would like to see some example code snippets. So hopefully they'll send those over to us and help us streamline that process. Please work on the patient portal, making sure that we build out all the web pages, navigation, everything like that for all the WooCommerce endpoints, and then the custom endpoints that we're going to be utilizing for the patient portal from a shipping standpoint, and then also from a test results standpoint. And then third, let's make sure that we put a tab on there for recommended supplements or recommendations, doctor's recommendations or Alpha Core. Let's do doctor's recommendations. Secondly, in regards to Dent Solution FX, Mark, if you could get together with me and get a timeline put together, let's try to get that completed as quickly as possible. We have other projects that we need to make sure that we're working on. I want to go get the Dent Solution FX site built out for the Napa Valley and optimized for Napa Valley. Let me know exactly what it is that you need in order to make that happen this week. Would like to get that completed. Another thing that's of mention, Rena, thank you very much for getting the customer review video. And Keenan, what we need to do from the customer review videos, these are marketing gold. So from the raw video, we need, of course, add that to the customer review supercut, create a longer supercut. Only cut the best segments out of the review video and use the best segments. I don't want all kinds of fluff in there. I just want Razor Sharp Networks did an amazing job. They transformed our business. They are doing a fantastic job, yada, yada, yada. So we need the customer review supercut. We also need to proof polish and produce a review video for the individual customer that's cut up and removes all of the pauses, any of the pictures of Rena, anything that's not relevant. And we want to make that as succinct and refined as possible. Don't let the customer ramble. Make sure they get directly to the point and talk about how great Razor Sharp Networks is. And then thirdly, I love what you did in regards to the question and answer that Rena put out there, as far as asking the question with text overlay and then having the customer answer those. Those are going to be fantastic for video shorts. So we'll take those little segments, those individual questions, cut them into shorts so that we can share them out via Instagram and YouTube Shorts. And that'll give us some social media posts on a regular basis that we can share out with our community. So definitely want to make sure that happens. And then lastly, on Doctor's Nutrition Bar, Mark, I appreciate you building out the framework for the landing page for video segments and also for articles. We need to make sure that all the articles have featured images. They are all optimized. And they also, all the videos are the same. The videos also need to be transcribed. And then we need to create a video landing page that promotes all of our greatest things on Doctor's Nutrition Bar. So, Mark, if you will, handle that. Make sure all the videos get published there. If they need to be produced, polished on the back end and before you publish them, if they need to be transcribed and everything like that, make sure you engage Ronnie. They need to be optimized, engage Ronnie and Alexis. Let's work together in order to make this stuff happen on the fast track. That's all I have for you today. Just wanted to keep us focused. Let me know if you have any question. Give me a high five if you watched this, and make it a fantastic day. We'll talk real soon.